Since coming back from Disneyland, I haven't yet had a day off. And so today, thankfully, the gods of scheduling have granted me with one of those. And, well, I don't have any real solid plans. I'm thinking heading into the Magic Kingdom, maybe giving Tron a ride. Basically, we just see where the day takes us. It could be a long one, it could be a short one. I'm not too sure. But feel free to come along for the ride. Now, I just need to remember where I parked the car. I think it's somewhere down here. Oh dear. And there it is. The rare Luke-mobile in the wild. Let's see if we can catch it. Yeah, apparently sleep-deprived Luke is a fun Luke. I completely forgot that until the other night. I just went crazy on the track. Guests seemed to love it. As soon as I got to bed, like, I was gonna have a shower, but I sat on the bed to take my shoes off. Boom, I was asleep until my next shift. It was fun though. The only thing that Magic Kingdom Tomorrowland has over Disneyland Tomorrowland would be the Peoplemover. It's basically a little tram ride that just takes you around all of Tomorrowland, but the best part of it is you get the
TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
You get the best views, not just of Tomorrowland, but it also goes around the hub and you get a spectacular view of the castle. So let's have a look at that.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the Peoplemover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Orak 5.
Again, always
aboard this highway.
Pick the loudest places to vlog.
Way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, they're ever lots
here we
to
go.
see.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light speed competition.
Visitors from Galaxy M31, please keep forward facing.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
Space Rangers, report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's herd.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us. Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have one eye or 9, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our Peoplemover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluded, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
All right, well, that was the Tomorrowland Peoplemover, or the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover, as it's surprisingly still called in the spiel. Now, obviously, there are a few things that I wasn't able to show you there, like the inside of Tomorrowland, the inside of Space Mountain, and then also most of Buzz, but that's basically due to the fact that I have a not a very good low light lens on, plus an ND filter at the moment, so it was just too dark in there. But I'll definitely get shots of that later on, and I've seen it in low light on this camera before during tests. It actually looks really cool. But right now, I need to get myself a hat. Now, I thought it would be a hard decision, but it's not really that hard of a decision. There we go, decision made. Now I have some protection from the sun. It's time to go and have a bit more fun. Let's do it. Speedway. Why not? I work here, but you know, it's still fun, even if you do work here. Not Autopia fun. In fact, we should probably do a side-by-side between this and Autopia. It's an idea. Let's do it. Sorry, I'm being a bad guest. I need to be behind the number in the square. There we go. All right. All right, here we go. Now, I'm not going to go for a bumpy ride, so I'm going to cheat. Now, the way to cheat on this ride, well, I mean, it's not really cheating. It's if you want a smooth ride, just ride the rail. That's all you have to do. Just gently ride the rail. And look how much faster you go than anyone else. It's because the engine doesn't get jerked around, so it keeps a steady rev and keeps a steady speed. And you get to enjoy yourself and not get whiplash or any of that sort of stuff. Until, of course, you catch up to the cars in front. There we go. I let the car do a bit of steering itself, and then back on the rail. And boy, probably the only thing that this Autopia has over the one in Disneyland is that view. Look at that. The new and shiny, and the old and faithful. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, there we go. And here we are. Here's the problem with being faster than everyone else, is now you have to basically be as slow as everyone else. There we go. Just gently. You don't have to force the steering wheel onto the rail. Just gently. It'll tell you what it wants. Just like Speed Racer, you just gotta listen to the car. It'll tell you what it wants. And even though we religiously say no bumping, there is almost a guarantee that someone, probably close to the pits, will bump into you. It's human nature. Someone says not to do something, you just want to do it. Some cast members will get upset. Some cast members will just laugh it off, but then say no bumping. I'll let you decide which one of those I am. I don't want to ruin your day at the Magic Kingdom. Let's just put it that way. Man, that view. Space Mountain. And there we go. Greetings, programs. I just like that effect. That was kind of cool. So this ride is so much better at nighttime, but my goodness, it is a glorious ride. No matter what time of day you ride it, though. Of course, as soon as I turn the camera away. I love Tron. I still have my original Team Orange light disc from, well, not the original Tron, but from Tron Legacy. It's actually hanging up on my dorm door back at Flamingo. I think I'm due for a new one. The ones that they sell now are actually Bluetooth speakers, and you can hitch it on the back of a backpack. I may end up being financially irresponsible because they're not really offering staff discount in the foreseeable future, but it's super cool. It's a cool backpack, and it's a pretty cool light disc. I'd basically just have Tron music blasting from the light disc the whole entire time. Oh man, I put that idea in my head just then. I can't forget it now. Oh well, here we are. So this one here is for the virtual queue. And this one here is for the lightning lane. Here we go.
Users, prepare to be digitized.
All right, let's see if my favorite locker is available. That one's taken.
You did great.
All right, where's my other number? Here we go. Whoop, need my card. There we go. And in you go. Man, I dreamt of a world that I never thought I would enter, and then one day I got in. And that day was March. It's June now. I got in ages ago. It's very quick. And I remember hearing the idea was once you go through the gates that the roller coaster is meant to go faster, except there's one spot where you go through a gate and then it automatically just brakes because it's going too fast to take the corner, and I'm like, okay. Yeah, wow. Time for me to grab some quick lunch backstage. Fortunately, I can't take you with me. And then the next you'll see me is at Universal Studios.